Good morning everyone, welcome to your EVS class. So in previous classes what we have read, now we have read about chapter number 4, that is more about plants. What we have discussed in that classes now, types of plants and parts of plants and uses of plants. So today we will do our exercise questions. So everyone take out your EVS book and page number 28 so that you can do your exercise questions. I will do it in your blackboard and you will likewise you will follow my procedure and you will do it in your book. Okay, as in your book the question is already given to you, so let me first write these questions, then we will discuss it clearly. Number A is given, match the following. What it is given? Now match the following. Some questions, two columns are given to you and you have to match these columns. Okay, as the following. Okay, so number 1 is given that like this. Okay, so pictures I have made, that is makes food. Number B is grows under ground. Number C contains seed. Number D grows above the soil. Number E change into fruits. Okay, change into fruits. First look at your picture, everyone look at your book. Okay, now let's match these things. Okay, see, first one is the picture of a what? Tell me. It is a picture of, yes, it is a picture of root. So root. So now see the function, it is given anything, something about these pictures, so we will match. Makes food. Root makes food? No. It grows under the ground? Yes, it grows under the ground. So you will match it like this. You can match like this, otherwise you can write here number 1. Okay, there are the two ways to match. You can write here number 1. Next is your, what it is? It's a beautiful flower. So flower makes food? No. Contains seed, grows above the soil, or change into fruits? Yes, it change into fruits. So number E. So you will write here E. Okay, then number 3, it's a leaf, and leaf used to makes food, contains seed, grows above the soil. It makes food. Next, mango. Mango is a fruit. Yes or no? It contains what? Seed, or grows above the soil? It contains seed. So what you will write here? Number 4. Last one, it is a branch. Looks, it's a stem. Stem grows above the soil. It grows above the soil. It will be number 5. So everyone completed this one. So let's move to the next question. We'll move to next question, that is your okay. Next question is your number B. Number B is tick. Tick the correct sentence Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. Cross the wrong ones. So let me write these questions. You will not write this question because as it is in your book, so you will not write. Let me write first. So roots make food for the plants. Number 2 is plants with weak stems that need support are called climbers. Next, number 3, plants give us oils and medicines. Number 4 is all leaves are green in color. Number 5, all fruits can be eaten. So now tell me what will be the answer. So roots makes food for the plant. Is it true? No. Who makes the food? Leaves used to make the food. So it is wrong. As it is wrong, we will put a cross mark. Plants with weak stems that need support are called climbers. Yes, they need support and they are known as climbers. Next, plants give us oils and medicines. Yes, it is true. It gives us oils and medicines and many more things. Next, all leaves are green in color. Yes. No. All the leaves are not green in colors. I have told you before that most of the leaves are green in color. So it will be cross. All fruits can be eaten. Can you eat each and every fruit? No. Some of the fruits are eatable and some fruits are not eatable. So we can eat some fruits, we cannot eat some fruits. So that will be cross. Next, let's move to another question. Next question is given, that number C. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Okay. As option is also given to you, so I will not write the options. Okay, because that is in your book. So let me discuss it first. Plants with weak stems that grow along the ground are called dash. Number 2 is here. The part of the plant, you just think about the answers, okay? I will ask you one by one. Part of the plants which makes food. Which makes food is the dash. Number 3 is plants with woody stem are called dash. Number 4 is the dash takes in water and minerals from the soil. Number 5 is your plants give us dash. Okay, so let's see the questions. So plants with weak stems that grow along the ground are called what? They are called, what will we call them? We call them creepers. Yes, very good, they are creepers. So we will write here creepers. Okay, so next is the part of the plant which makes food is the, which makes food, fruit or leaf? Yes, leaf makes the food always. Okay, as I have told you, this is the kitchen of the plant. Plants with woody stems are known as shrubs. Very good. Next, the dash takes in water and minerals from the soil. Who takes? Obviously root takes, so root. Next, plants gives us shade or sunlight. Sun gives us sunlight, so it will be the shade. Okay, next we will do the question answers which is given. So take out your EVS notebooks everyone, not in books, because there is no space. So how you can write the answers? So now just take out your book, work is over, just take out your copies. Okay, now take out your copies and we will write the question answers one by one. Okay, let's take out it. Number D is given, answer the following. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Okay, number 1 question is name the parts of plant. Name the parts of a plant and write one function of each. Okay, so we have to write the functions of these also. So answer in answer you will write. Okay, what you will do now, name the parts of plants. So the parts of plants are the parts of plants are like this. You will put a bit. That first you will write root. What? Now it takes in water and minerals from the soil. Okay, next part you will write leaves. What leaves do? Now it prepares food. It makes food for the plant. It makes food for the plant. It makes food for the plant. Number C, your next part is your flowers. Okay, what is? Now the flower changes into what? Fruits. Flowers changes into fruits. Okay, number D will be your fruits. What fruits? Now you will write here, some fruits can be eaten, some fruits can be eaten and some are not, and some should not be eaten, some should not be eaten. Okay, number E is your seed. Seed what? Now when gets when you will write here, when seed get the right amount of water, air and sunlight, they grow into a new plant, so you have to write these are the functions which you will write. Next we will move to our next question, number 2. Number 2, what we will do, the number 2 question is here, that how are plants useful to us? How are plants useful to us? So what you will write now, plants are useful to us. Plants are useful to us in many ways, So what are the ways? So tell me, what are the ways in which plants are useful? How they are useful to us? Now they give us what? Plants, it provides us what? Vegetables, fruits. Okay, it provides us vegetables, fruits, medicines and species, oxygen to breathe, and etc. There are more things which we can write, but as it is, it will be, if it will be according to the marks, you can write it. Then number 3 is given, how do leaves make food for the plant? Okay, how do leaves make food for the plants? Now tell me how they make food for the plant. Just tell me how. So as you know that green plants, what you will write here, answer, that green plants use water, minerals, sunlight and carbon dioxide and turn it into food. So you know that this is the process which is also known as photosynthesis. So this process is known as photosynthesis. So this process is also known as photosynthesis. The last question, it is asked that, last question is given to you, and it is, so last question is here, that number 4, how do seeds grows how do seed grow into new plant? The function of the seed plants. So what we will write here, when seed, answer you will write, when seeds get the right amount of water air and sunlight, they grow into a new plant. They grow into a new plant. So these are your question and answers which we have discussed today. So just write these question answers properly and try to learn all these for your exam. Next class, what we will do? In our next class, we will move to our next chapter. Okay, so read this chapter properly, thoroughly, the question answers and the definitions properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in your next class. So be safe, be healthy and keep learning. Bye everyone.